Banyarwanda, banyarwandakazi, banya East Africa mwese muri rusange, banyafrika mwese kwa ujumla, hither and yon in the whole Africa, where there are dictators, there is a business going on of changing the national constitutions. Here in Africa, silently aiming at dictating their terms to 2030 and beyond. Therefore, abategetsi b'abanyabitugu muri Afurika barimo guhindura itegeko nshinga kugira ngo bategeke kugeza 2030. Icyo nicyo gikorwa barimo gukora hirya no hino mu bihugu bya Afurika. Turabayoka, barimo kwifashisha abasenateri b'ibyo bihugu bya buri gihugu, nuko bashusha nk'ababigambanyeho, babyumvikanyeho, bahindure amategeko nshinga baheruka gushyiraho imikono, babihinduremo ibindi rwihishwa muri Afurika hose. Rero banyafurika, banya East Africa, banyarwanda, mube maso, hari ibintu birimo gukorwa bucece, ariko twe turabayoka satellite hafi. These weak politicians should not eat citizens mathematically or in mathematics. So we are very standby class 1 and very vigilant and very optimistic to stop them whatsoever at any cost. All Africans, you just wake up and stay tuned, stay standby class 1, never class 2. They have been here, I mean the heads of the states in Africa are learning the meandering ways of learning the technicalities of stealing the national constitutions of all African states, changing the constitutions abruptly without informing the citizens. So you, my African citizens, be stand by class 1. These African dictators are changing the national constitution is silently. You ever stay tuned and stay stand by class 1. Be aware of the current situation is going on here in Africa. Hither and yon, they are very busy days and nights learning those meandering technicalities of changing our African past constitution is so that they can accelerate their dictatorships and overstaying on power to their life. Here I mean they want to mean the life of presidents, so they want to age as years age. Therefore, they should not imitate years, because years have been there